Title: Easy Meal Prep. How to plan and prepare healthy meals for the week. Are you looking for a hassle-free way to eat healthy throughout the week? Look no further. We have all the tips and tricks you need to master the art of meal prepping. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of planning and preparing nutritious meals that will save you time and keep you on track with your health goals. Step 1. Plan your meals. The first step to successful meal prepping is planning. Start by deciding what meals you want to prepare for the week ahead. It could be breakfast, lunch, dinner, or all of the above. Pick recipes that are easy to make, versatile, and most importantly, enjoyable to eat. Step 2. Create a shopping list. With your meals planned out, it's time to create a shopping list. Take inventory of your pantry and fridge to see what ingredients you already have. Then, jot down everything you need to buy. Organize your list according to sections in the grocery store for a more efficient shopping experience. Step 3. Grocery shopping. Armed with your shopping list, head to the grocery store. Stick to the list to avoid impulse purchases and save money. Choose fresh and seasonal fruits and vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and other healthy ingredients that align with your meal plan. Step 4. Preparing the ingredients. Once you're back home, it's time to prepare the ingredients for your meals. Wash and chop your fruits and vegetables, par-cook rice or pasta, and marinate your proteins if needed. This preparation will save you precious time during the busy weekdays. Step 5. Cooking and assembling. And assembling your meals. Utilize various cooking methods such as baking, grilling, or sautéing to add variety to your meals. Cook in large batches to make multiple servings that can be easily portioned out for the entire week. Step 6. Storage. Maintaining the freshness and quality of your prepared meals. Invest in airtight containers or meal prep containers that will keep your food fresh and prevent any leaks or spills. Label each container with the meal and date to help you stay organized. Step 7. Grab and go. With your meals prepared and stored, your busy weekdays just got easier. Simply grab a meal from the fridge, heat it up, and enjoy a delicious and nutritious dish in minutes. Say goodbye to unhealthy, takeout, or last-minute meal decisions. Step 8. Variety and flexibility. To avoid monotony, make sure to incorporate variety within your meal plan. Experiment with different flavors, cuisines, and ingredients. Also, don't be afraid to modify your plan if unexpected events arise. Adaptability is key to successful meal prepping. And that's it. You've unlocked the secret to easy and healthy meal prepping by planning your meals, creating a shopping list, prepping ingredients, cooking and assembling, storing properly, and grabbing meals on the go. You'll save time, money, and stay on track with your health goals throughout the week. So why wait? Start meal prepping today and make healthy eating a breeze. Background music fades out.